Now, this is going to be a very big week for cryptocurrency, and XRP could see some of the biggest benefits from it. We're going to be talking about it in the video today. You can see the headline on the screen right here, XRP's price. Why Washington's crypto bill has traders watching Thursday. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube now is run by AI. So with that, we have to be as careful as possible. It says that it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. Guys, it is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. Simply you and I talking about cryptocurrency, the latest news, and specifically this article in this video. Now, it says that XRP edged up after U.S. senators advanced the long-awaited crypto market structure bill towards a committee vote this week. The draft aims to clarify the divide between securities and commodities when it comes to digital tokens, placing greater regulatory authority with the CFTC. It says traders are eyeing Thursday's markup for any amendments and if the bill holds enough backing to move forward. XRP edged up just slightly, 0.36% in the last 24 hours, settling at 207, and at the time that I'm recording this video, it is currently sitting at, well, let's see, 210. So it is ticking back up as well in the green today, as the overall cryptocurrency market is also in the green. And you can see a very nice green day indeed. Monero actually seeing some very nice gains with a 52% weekly gain and a 10% daily gain here, as Zcash actually pulling back. So very interesting to see Zcash, which was once the dominating privacy coin, now being led by Monero. So we're going to see how that plays out as well, but not really related to XRP, at least at the moment. It says late Monday, U.S. senators introduced draft legislation aimed at creating a federal framework for digital assets and defining regulatory responsibilities. The bill would prohibit crypto companies from offering interest solely for holding dollar-pegged stablecoins, but would permit certain rewards linked to transactions like payments or loyalty incentives. This is crucial now as the Senate is settling deadlines on a debate that's long shadowed crypto prices. Are tokens commodities, securities, or a hybrid? And what kind of disclosures should come with them? XRP, the token linked to the payments company Ripple Labs, often reacts sharply to regulatory news. This is largely due to the U.S. rules being shaped more by enforcement actions in court battles than clear legislation. It says families and small businesses benefit from clear rules of the road, said Senate Banking Committee Chairman Tim Scott as he unveiled a bipartisan manager's amendment following months of talks. The House approved its version of the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act back in July of 2025, but progress in the Senate has been sporadic since. It says politics complicate the scene. Elizabeth Warren flagged the bill's draft. Guys, I can't stand Elizabeth Warren. I'm not even going to read about that clown right there. So if you look at XRP, it is doing very, very well. On a long-term and short-term chart, you can see that XRP is up. If you go to the weekly chart here, you can see that XRP is still doing very well. Now, it has been a little bit more, I guess, consolidative, hitting this support zone around $2 quite a bit, almost the entirety of 2025 into 2026 here. So we would love to see it break back up above resistance at about $2.50 here, and it could happen as early as Thursday as more progress is made on the Clarity Act. So looking at that, I expect gains if everything goes according to plan. Does that mean that we'll see gains? Absolutely not, guys. Nobody knows what comes tomorrow. So I've got to keep an optimistic outlook or there's no sense in even being here. So with that, I do continue to accumulate. And I do so in two places, on centralized exchanges and on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. You guys get a link for that down in the description below if you want to check it out. I'm also diversifying the best that I can. One of the tokens that I've been diversifying into is Bitcoin Hyper. These guys have raised $30,423,000 in the last couple of months, so make sure to check them out. Links for everything down there. And if you want first user exclusive access to a lot of cryptocurrency knowledge and you want to learn about blockchain technology, digital assets, and so on, make sure to use that link for the On-Chain Academy. One of the best places that I have seen to learn about cryptocurrency and one of the best communities in the game. Let me know what you guys think about it all down there, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.